I'm not gonna lie, guys, I love berries of all kinds, and I think today's smoothie is my absolute favorite. Let's dive in to a Quadruple Berry Breeze Smoothie. It's perfect for breakfast, for a snack, really any time of day. Let's make it. We're gonna start with frozen strawberries into the blender, frozen blueberries, frozen blackberries, and finally raspberries, also frozen. Greek yogurt is next. The milk of your choice. And a squeeze of honey if you like things sweet. That's it with the ingredients. It's time to blend. It's ready to serve. Pour in your favorite glass. And that's it. Easy to prepare with just a few simple ingredients. If you like this one, guys, link to the recipes in the description, and you should give it a try.